Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll be completing a task under Welcome to ServiceNow under Form module, which is Form task. So here click on Open My Instance and it will send us here. Now here click on All and under All just type Create CREATE and under Problem you see Create New will be there. See under Problem Create New is there. Click on that. Now we'll wait for a while. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. It will motivate me to create more content. Now here under category select network and after that under service just type IT and you will be getting IT services. Click on that. Then here for the impact we will select 2 which is medium and for the urgency we will select again 2 which is medium. Then here assignment group is there. For that just type network NETW and see network came. Click on that. And for the problem statement, come here from where we have started our instance. We'll copy the problem statement and we will paste it under problem statement. Then same we'll do for the description. We will copy from here the description and we will paste it under description. After pasting under description, you can see here 3 lines which are additional action. Click on that and here click on save. After that we'll wait for a while. So now it's saved. Again come to the additional action, the 3 lines, and here click on create favorite. Then click on done. After that come to the place from where we have started our instance and here we'll click on validate task. Guys, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. It will motivate me to create more content guys. As you can see we have completed it successfully. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, thank you for watching guys.